everyone, my name is Jaymar, and in this video I will be sharing my reflection video about based on software company developing an AI empowered healthcare application, and I will be answering the 5 discussion question related to AI, DevOps, extreme programs, CRCD, and cloud security. Let's go. How CI/CD for cloud security measures and how AWS helps protect patients' data. Since the app stores sensitive health informations and cloud control is extremely important, several measures should be taken. First, data encryption. Both data stored in the cloud and data being transmitted should be encrypted. This prevent authorized access. Then next is access control. Only authorized people should be able to access patient information. Multi-factor authentication is also useful. Then next, the network security. Firewalls, VPNs, and secure network configuration must be implemented. Then next is regular auditing and monitoring. The system should be continuously monitor for suspicious activities and potential security breaches. Then the last is backup and disaster recovery. Next is backup and disaster recovery. Patients' data must be backed up securely to avoid permanent loss. For the conclusion, this scenario highlights how technology, when used properly, can significantly improve healthcare service. AI and machine learning makes the application more personalized and predictive. And DevOps and XP enhance communication, code quality, and continuous sprint problems. And CI/CD ensures smooth and automated deliveries of software. And cloud platform like AWS provides strong security tools to protect sensitive data. For my recommendation, organizations developing healthcare applications should be prioritize the security from the very beginning. They should also adopt modern development practice like DevOps and XP to maintain high quality software. Most importantly, AI systems must be continuously trained with accurately and critical data to avoid errors in health recommendation. Then my takeaways from these examinations is that building a software is healthcare application goes beyond just writing code. It involves teamwork, security, accuracy, and responsibility. Technology can truly help people, but it must be used with care, especially when dealing with human lives and sensitive information. And yun lang. Third, how CI pipelines help in development and deployment. CI or CD stands for continuous integration and continuous delivery for deployment. It is a process automates for building, testing, and releasing of the software. With CI, every time developers updates the code and system automatically checks for errors and run tests. This ensures that the app remains stable even when new features are added. With CD, the application can be deployed to the cloud automatically after passing all tests. This reduces human errors and speed up the delivery process. For the healthcare application, CI or CD pipelines ensure faster release of new features, immediate detection of bugs, continuous improvements, and a consistency of reliable deployment and process. First, how AI and machine learning improves health recommendation and predict health trends. First, AI and machine learning greatly enhance the healthcare application in several ways. First, the machine learning can analyze large amount of data or patient data such as medical history, lifestyle, habits, lab results, and even wearable device information. Because AI learns patterns from this data, the system becomes more accurate over time. This allows this app to give personalized health recommendation like diet suggestions, recommendation checkups, and early warnings for potential health issues. Secondly, AI enables predictive analytics. This means that the application can forecast a patient health trends. For example, based on previous blood sugar levels, physical activities, or vital signs, the app can predict the likelihood of developing of certain conditions. It helps our patients and healthcare provider like preventing action before problems become serious. Overall, AI makes the app smarter, more adaptive, and more responsive to each patient's needs.